Witness the symphony of steel and power. These machines are engineering marvels, built to tackle the toughest jobs with unmatched precision and efficiency. Get ready for a mesmerizing display of mechanical mastery. Let's roll. Years of waiting just to witness a flawless performance. A tree leaned for decades, almost daring anyone to take it down. Then came a crew of expert loggers, smiling, unfazed, and in just a moment, it fell with pinpoint precision, as if it had been rehearsed. One small mistake can lead to serious consequences. Tree felling isn't just about cutting. It requires knowledge of angles, fall direction, and safety measures. Every step must be executed precisely to prevent unnecessary risks. One small mistake can lead to serious consequences. Tree felling isn't just about cutting. It requires knowledge of angles, fall direction, and safety measures. Every step must be executed precisely to prevent unnecessary risks. Power meets intelligence. That's the Valmet 921. This machine can handle massive loads while maintaining efficiency and minimizing environmental impact, thanks to its cutting-edge control system. In modern forestry, it's a top choice. Hope they have a plan because the tree is coming down right now. This machine doesn't waste time. It lifts entire bundles of wood in one go. The best part? You can swap out clamps to match different loads. You don't think this is possible? Get ready to be proven wrong. These horses just pulled off the impossible, and this video is all the proof you need. Whoa, this 7-foot wide Douglas fir is an absolute giant. Too bad rot has started setting in, though the base might still be useful. The trunk is packed with fungi and the core is breaking down. Mother Nature is taking back her own. Still, it made for one epic finale. That's a job well done. This machine can uproot trees gently yet powerfully, accomplishing the task in just a blink of an eye without affecting the surrounding environment. The process happens so quickly that it leaves viewers in awe, and its precision is truly remarkable. If you're looking for an efficient solution to clear your land, this will undoubtedly become the perfect companion you can't afford to miss. Take a look at this Fendt 942 Vario. This monster is teamed up with the Gens HM 583 chipper, and man, this changes the game. The Vario has the muscle to handle any terrain, while the HM 583 shreds massive logs like they're nothing. This duo is a perfect blend of brute force and efficiency, making forestry work smoother than ever. One thing's for sure, trees always fall the way they lean. Wow, the way they work those branches is insane. This isn't some easy backyard job. The climber has to sync perfectly with the chopper. That's the key when working around these monster machines and unpredictable gusts. Safety always comes first, and that landing, absolute perfection. Holy smokes. That's a Caterpillar 349F in full force. A 61-inch bucket is no joke. But hang on, no grapple. How are they supposed to move those monster stumps? Insane. Hit that like button and subscribe for more jaw-dropping construction videos. As soon as I saw that first cut, I knew it was game over. Good thing no one got hurt. Sydney's about to get a serious cleanup, all thanks to this beast, the Vermeer BC 2100 XL. Watch it devour a massive eucalyptus tree like it's nothing. Hard to believe a sawmill like this is still in action. These guys are true masters of the trade. His is the domain of logging legends, and these powerful machines are what keep the industry moving. His is the domain of logging legends, and these powerful machines are what keep the industry moving. Man, look at this monster of a loader. The Volvo Beast can handle 19 tons like it's nothing, thanks to a pro behind the controls. Stay tuned for some serious heavy lifting action. If this video left you speechless, smash that one in the comments. Your support fuels us to keep bringing epic content your way. No doubt the Husqvarna 395 XP is a solid machine, but dropping a tree this size isn't just tough, it's seriously risky. Keep safety as your top priority. Have you ever watched a pro lumberjack at work? It's like they can talk to the trees, sensing every tiny movement in the trunk. That's how they keep themselves and everyone around them safe. Insane. This thing chews through wood like a beast. Meet the John Deere 1270G with the H415 head. Pure power and precision. It glides through trees like a dancer but tears them down like a beast. And get this, a brand new one will set you back $437,000, but a solid used machine. Just $175,000 to $245,000. Now that's a deal. Whoa! That's some next level action. I didn't realize logging required this much balance and guts. I'll just keep splitting logs at home, thanks. Damn, no matter how much we try to control its fall, the tree always decides where it wants to go. Rope, rope, rope. It's going down that way.
The road. It's going that way.
Loving these machines? Hit that subscribe button now. We're always pushing the boundaries of technology and bringing you the most spectacular footage. Turn on notifications so you're the first to see our latest videos.